Today we will advise you on how to update your drivers for your NVIDIA video card through GeForce Experience. If you do not have the software already installed on your computer, you can go to the link in our description, nvidia.com/GeForce Experience, and select Download Now. And it will automatically start the download and simply follow the prompts in the installation to get this software onto your PC that has an NVIDIA graphics card installed. Once you have this software installed, or to open up the pre-existing software, click on the Start button, typically found on your taskbar at the bottom of the screen. Once in the Start menu, click on All Apps. Next, scroll down if needed, and under the G section, click on GeForce Experience. Once in this software, click on Drivers. If there are updates available, you will see them in the Available section here, along with a download option. To start the driver update process, click on Download. Wait for the download to complete once it starts. Once it has completed downloading, two new options will be presented here. For this, we will want to click on Express Installation. You will get a user account window prompt. Click on Yes here. The installer will begin to install the latest NVIDIA video card drivers at this point, and you can keep track of its progress with the progress bar. In most cases, this will take up to a few minutes. It is important to note your monitors may turn black temporarily during the installation, and not to worry, this is completely normal. It's just part of the update process. Once the installation is completed, the software will show what has been installed, and you can click on Close to complete this process. Once back in GeForce Experience, you can click on Drivers, and here it should now say you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And that's all there is to it to install NVIDIA video card drivers through the NVIDIA GeForce Experience software. We hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe for other helpful tips and products from the best computer store in the world.